welcome to my YouTube video channel. So today we are going to learn about Dax. So what do you mean by Dax? Dax is nothing but a formula that we use to do the calculations in Power BI. Long form of Dax is data analysis expressions. It is just like the formulas that we use to calculate in Excel. It is very much similar to the Excel, but the syntaxes are little different. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn these DAXs step by step. We'll be starting with some basics DAX, and then we'll moving on to some complex DAX. Okay, so let's start with the DAX calculation now. So we are ready with the sample data now. So what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the sales. So for example, if I take this card and if I put for example profit in fields, so now I have total profit. I can see the summation of profit. If you see, this is the summation of profit. And if I put some filter over here, slicer over here, and for example I put what you can a discount band, for example. So in this slicer I'll put discount band, and if I select here high, so now my profit is being changed to high. So this is about the slicer, but what if I want a permanent number of profit for high discount band? I don't want that this should change. For that we can write a DAX. So today we will be learning about a DAX called as calculate. So let's go ahead and start to write our DAX. To write the DAX, you need to click on the table first where that DAX you want to create, and then here you have option called as new measure. So the DAX is called as measure in Power. So click on new measure. Once you will click on this, you get this. So measure equals to. Now we'll provide a name to our measure. So we'll provide for example high profit equals to. Now we are learning about the calculate DAX. So I'll start with the calculate first. So what calculate function help us to? So calculate function help us to do use the formula along with the filter. Now if you can see here, once I open the calculate function, the expression is here and the filter one is here. Okay, so we will be providing Power BI the first expression, that would be sum. So what we want sum of profit, and then we want to filter that profit by high discount band. So the column name is discount band here, right? So we'll write down discount. So discount band equals to high, and then we will close the bracket. So now our high profit, the summation of high profit with the filtered high profit is ready. Now let's test this if this is correct or not. So first I will take first card wherein I'll put normal profit here. Now I will take second card and I will put our DAX here, and then I will take one slicer here and I'll put a discount band in the slicer and I will select high. So can you see the both figures are matching, 3.39 million, 3.39 million, and where we have used as this figure is also not getting changed if I select any other slicer. So this is fixed. So this is how we can use our calculate function. So I'll repeat this again. In calculate function, first we need to provide the expression and then filter. Thank you so much guys. Please do subscribe and share our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.